Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, I'm Nawori Joel back again. I'm taking you through season 2 and we are now going to episode 2. In our previous episode 1 of season 2, we were speaking about some keywords. Yeah, of course, in this season 2, we are speaking about search strategy. Everything we're going to speak about in this season is about search strategy. So, in my episode 1, I took you through some keywords, and then I'm sure you came to understand how to identify some keywords and some other key concepts. So, now here I'll be taking you through a new concept known as Boolean operators. Boolean operators, these are just simply words used to combine. These are words used to combine or even exclude some keywords. Yeah, you see they are connecting keywords. Now here we are on Boolean operators, some words used to combine or exclude some keywords. And examples of these Boolean operators, we have and, we have not, we have or. I'll be telling you all of them and showing you the importance of each. So let me try to show you here. Let me use a browser. I'm using a browser. Browser of Google Chrome. So here now, let me try to search something. For example, Boolean operators, like initially I told you, Boolean operators, they're just words used to combine or exclude some information or some results. So, like for example, you are given a topic, you are given to research about something, and you want either to narrow down your research, you want to eliminate some of the researches, you want to do what you want to widen or broaden your researches. Here now we are going to use, for example, let's say you're given, I want to search about wild animals, wild animals, right? Then you find that here, yeah, we're trying to research about wild animals. So let us say I want to make a research about wild animals. Let me check here my internet connection. Yeah, my internet connection is good, not bad. Yeah, not bad. So when we come here, we are searching about wild animals, right? So you find that wild animals, they've given you different kinds of animals, and these are wild animals. So I want us now to start using some Boolean operators on this. Like for example, I want to use a Boolean operator of and. A Boolean operator of and helps you to narrow down the research. It narrows down the research. For example, you want to search about wild animals, and perhaps these wild animals, I want to narrow it down. Then I say perhaps wild animals, and like I want to broaden it, sorry, and will help us to find results that include both terms, and it narrows down the search by finding all results that include both terms. So here wild animals, and perhaps I want to in my research about animals, I want wild animals and also domestic animals to be there. So meaning I'll use a Boolean operator of and, meaning wild animals, and I think that's a Boolean operator, and domestic animals, and domestic animals here. You see? So meaning my researches will my results will have both terms of wild animals and domestic animals. As you see, these are domestic animals, a cow, we have a donkey, then some wild animals, as you see the tiger, then we have the zebra. You understand? That's one of the Boolean operators called the and. So we have another type of Boolean operator known as or. The Boolean operator of or helps you to expand the search in a way that you will find results with either terms. The results you'll obtain, they will have either terms. For example, I want wild animals. Oh, instead of using and, I'm going to use oh. That's a Boolean operator. This one here helps you to give you some information with either terms. So I want to search wild animals or domestic animals. Then I search. You see, meaning my searches will either have wild animals or domestic animals. These are specifically wild animals, as you see. Then these are domestic animals alone. Then wild animals alone. As you see, these are wild animals separately, and these ones here are domestic animals separately. Meaning it's containing either of the terms. I can either decide to go with this. I can either decide to go with domestic, I can either decide to go with the wild, I can either decide to go with both, meaning they are containing eight of the terms. That's one of the Boolean operators. Then perhaps which other operator? We have a Boolean operator known as not. This is not helps you to exclude some terms in your searches. For example, I'm searching about animals. Like I'm searching about animals, for example. It has say I want wild animals, but not domestic animals. You see? Animals, not wild. Wild non-domestic animals, wild animals. Then I'm searching about wild animals, not domestic animals. Then you try searching here, you see? Let me come here. Okay. I'll search about animals but not wild animals. Meaning I want to exclude out the wild animals, but I'm having animals but without the wild animals specifically. So if I try searching about that, you find that the results they'll give me only domestic animals without wild animals, because I've tried to exclude the wild animals out of my research. So you find that the purpose of this note is to exclude some of the terms in your researches, and your results will include only one term without wild. There will be nothing like wild animals here. As you see here, I'm seeing some dogs. You understand? So those are Boolean operators. We have more Boolean operators, whereby Boolean operators, you find them that also in computing science, in mathematics, they are going to use some Boolean operators. We have all broadening. We have database queries, whatever. So this is all about Boolean operators. There are more Boolean operators. I think you are gonna do more researches on that. So perhaps today that has been all for the day. Please, thanks to my sponsors, Como Technology Uganda, the number one company in searching for different kinds of trucks and working on every electronics. Thank you. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let us support this channel the way Gomo Technology is supporting this channel. Please support this channel. Make sure that you subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell to make sure that we do it. To make sure that we stay updated and as we like our videos. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.